That's the last of the dig out's been done today. Mark's got them all done. Take you through, we're going into the kitchen. As you can see, he's had to break away several areas that just has sort of popped. And we'll get them redone. So that's that shelf completely finished. Where it's square, that's going to obviously be white, and all that round about there is going to get filled in. But that's the earth that came out of that. March through here, just shoveling up that one that's in there, so we've got all that to shovel out, take it outside, and we're going to make a rockery. And this is 23. As I say, once that gets yessoed up there and all finished in there, that'll look good in here. Plenty more storage for guests. This is just going to be amazing for all the plates and just have it as a display. Take you through here. Going into the lounge. So that's another one that he done yesterday. So we'll make a nice feature there. And as I say, that's the master bedroom through there. We've blocked that off, but obviously we'll have some work to do in there. Couple of areas here that is taken away. If I just stop here, you'll be able to see what we're speaking about. Just the crystallisation, and just obviously because this was underwater. Oh, here's what millions of years ago. If I stop here, put this light on. If you can see, this is the shell line here. Along here, you can see small fossils that hold it. So that's obviously the sea line for years ago. And this is twin 2. The light tunnels now, March dug that away to give it extra opening so that the light, I'll try and stand over here and I'll show you. Oops. As you can see there, so there's a light tunnel, so we'll get this all finished, this will all be finished off and it'll all be plastered white, and then the tube will go up and we'll have the window up there to let some light and ventilation in here as what was requested. Nothing else to be in there, that's just the bathroom in there. Everywhere's to get painted, so, and just as just the electrical pipes, it's popped, so Mark's going to pin all this back and I'll get all that plastered as well. So the whole cave's to get repainted, everything done, and we're going to try and do something different when we dress it off again. Got some ideas, but just sort of show you what it was like once the dig outs are finished, and we're at the stage where we're going to get it plastered. So the curtains for the kitchen out. A lot of the stuff we've put into our outside kitchen area. So once the cave's all done, we'll get some of this stuff put back in, and we're going to redo this as well. Just make it a little bit different. As you can see, it's another gorgeous day today. And the next video we'll post shall be when the yesso's getting done, and you can see what it's like when we're talking about getting things yessoed to plaster. Okay, have a nice day.